Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Prince, and today I'll be showing you how to install your extra-view with two 8D decoders and then a dual LNB. So if you have an 8D decoder and you are thinking of linking with another 8D decoder, but you can't afford a smart LNB because it's very expensive, you need to use a dual LNB, and with the dual LNB you need these two signal combiner. You need to buy two of this, satellite and antenna. You buy two of this plus your dual LNB. Okay, you need to have a stable DSTV signal. If you already have a DSTV over there, you have already fixed your DSTV and you have a stable signal, you need to replace your single universal LNB with a dual LNB. So you replace it. This is how you do your connection. This video is very important, so keep watching. This is how you need to do your connection. Fix your cable. One cable to the first port of the dual LNB, and another cable to the second port. Never think that you are too smart. You cannot use a single universal LNB and then signal splitter. It will not work. Never think of using this. It will never work. But using a dual LNB will work for you. Connect your cable and then here's where the trick comes. So you need to connect one signal combiner over here for the first port. Now you combine another, you join another one here. Another combiner here. Okay. So after doing it like this, so with a combiner, you have one side to be antenna and another side to be satellite. One side to be antenna and another side to be satellite. So where the satellite is, you need to join your cable. That cable, you need to insert that cable at the back of your decoder. So where the satellite is, each of the combiner where the satellite is, that's where the cable will go to your LNB port at the back of your decoder. So satellite. Okay, so you have here satellite. These are the cables that will be, you have to fix it at the back of your HD decoder LNB port. Okay, so you fix it. Satellite cables go at the back of your decoder port, LNB port over here, and then you need to join your heartbeat cable. Heartbeat cable will be the antenna. the antenna port will be the heartbeat. You need to join your cable from. Then the antenna will be your heartbeat. That's where you need to connect your heartbeat cable. So if you have heard of heartbeat, I don't know how to connect your heartbeat. If you are doing an installation with this 2 AD decoder and you opt to use a dual LNB, because the dual LNB is very affordable, you need to connect your heartbeat cable. So you connect your heartbeat cable, antenna port of the combiner for the 2 decoders to send heartbeat signal to each other. That's why it's always advisable for you to use a smart LNB, because with a smart LNB you don't need to do all these crazy connections. So you have here antenna to be the heartbeat cable over here, the antenna port. Okay, satellite goes to the LNB port at the back of your decoder, and then antenna have to be your heartbeat. So with this plenty connections over here, if you are to use a smart LNB, you don't have to do all these things. But the smart LNB is very expensive. The smart LNB, only this one can buy 5 of this, 5 of the dual LNB, and the combiner is not expensive, so you can opt to use the dual LNB and then the combiner. You'll be saving a lot of money using this strategy. Okay, and you cannot use this if you are to do an installation which consists of an extra-view-decoder. So never think of using this strategy to install extra-view-decoder, because Explorer comes with a unique cable LNB port over here, unique cable LNB port, and this is a universal LNB. This is not a unique cable LNB. That's why it's always advisable to get smart LNB or smart switch. Alright, so keep watching. After doing this, you are not done. You need to change the settings in the installation widget for these 2 decoders to link to each other. So in any installation, extra-view installation, which consists of 2 AD decoders, probably you need to choose one as your primary decoder. And after choosing one as the primary decoder, whenever you off the primary, the secondary won't be working. So have that in mind. All the time, make sure that the primary decoder is on. Okay, so keep watching. Okay, so I have a satellite dish here with a stable DSTV signal. So I need to replace the single universal LNB with this dual LNB. Okay, we need to replace it. check that you're having a stable dstv. Okay, so I'm having a stable dstv signal, so I can move ahead. Keep watching. Okay, so you have to check that both your dual LNB cables are having enough signal before you move ahead. So make sure that both are having enough signal with the dstv frequency. Okay. Okay. So one combiner here. Another one here. So satellite. One cable, another satellite. Okay, so satellite inside. That's where you go to your decoder LNB. Your decoder. And connect another one. Satellite. Okay. The second decoder. So here comes your heartbeat cable. Antenna for the heartbeat. Antenna for the heartbeat. So left with the settings in the installation widget. Okay, keep watching. Okay, so after connecting your cables, you your signal combiners, your heartbeat cable. Okay, after doing that, you need to scan your decoder. So satellite page, if you are living in these listed countries over here, we have Botswana, Malawi, Mozambique, Namibia, South Africa, Swaziland, Zambia, and Zimbabwe. You need to choose IS20 and then you press OK. Come down to manual setup. Then you press OK. Okay, so LNB type have to be universal. And then come down. Okay, so for the rest of Africa, you need to choose the satellite name E36B, and then in the same steps, manual setup, LNB type, universal, and then you come down to scan. Okay, so come down to scan. And then you scan your other decoder, your secondary decoder as well. So with this installation, with this ADAD installation, you don't need to do any additional settings. You just have to connect your combiner and your heartbeat cable, and after that you need to call office for them to link these two decoders. Or you can take the decoders to any nearby DSTV office for them to link it for you. Okay, so if you are new here, you do well to subscribe to my channel and then you hit a thumbs up. Alright, bless up.